Here at UniWigs, this year has been a big one. We have worked tirelessly to expand our product line and have hired many new employees. We had our grand opening for the kindergarten at our factory, and we celebrated 10 years of being in business. We focused on mothers, women with alopecia, and those suffering from breast cancer. We met with our customers, got to know them, and helped them find a piece that could restore their confidence. We listened and learned and expanded our customer service team in hopes to give you the best experience as a UniWigs customer. We were also fortunate enough to be able to give back to the hair loss community by donating to different charity organizations who are doing amazing work. We have definitely grown in numbers, but we have also grown in ways that can't be tracked by spreadsheets and sales. Looking back over this year gives us a sense of pride, but we also recognize that we couldn't have done any of it without you. Thank you for supporting us, pushing us to be better, and recognizing that although we are a business, we are also a company of people wanting to do good within the hair loss community. Thank you for the purchases, the kind reviews, the social media shares, and the amazing emails and DMs we get each day. We wouldn't be here without you, and we recognize that. So, from all of us at UniWigs, we hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.